I am in Daan, Bantayan. This is the northernmost town of the island of Cebu. Pero up north, nandun pa yung Bantayan Island. I never thought I'd reach this far. Pero ngayong araw, inabot ko to sapagkat ito yung part ng ating effort na makapag-establish ng isang food security program. And I think Daan Bantayan is a good example. Why? Napakataas ng poverty incidence. 42%. Would you believe that? A town in Cebu province, which is supposed to be the richest province in the whole country, one of the richest anyway, with a poverty incidence of 42%. That's incredible. And I could only look at several factors. Number one, hindi developed yung agriculture ng Daan Bantayan. Especially lately, nag-close yung sugar mill na siyang pinaka-center of the agricultural activities dito sa Daan Bantayan. Halika kayo, tingnan natin ito. Ito, tingnan nyo kung gaano kayaman itong bayan na ito. Natural resources. Ito yung kanyang karagatan. Makikita nyo. Wala ka makikitang mga fish cages. Maliliit na bangka. And halos walang fishing activity. So, kausap natin kanina yung batang mayor, si Mayor Arabis, bagong panalo. And we actually discussed with him a lot of issues. And he's very excited at the prospect of being included in the food security program of Governor Pambaric Quatro of Cebu. Ako naman, ang papel ko lang dito is, of course, food security advisor. I just look at the bigger picture and come up with specific programs para ma-address natin yung tinatawag nating food insufficiency and poverty incidents in the province of Cebu. I'm Manny Piñol, Daan Bantayan.